Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new, and if you are new, welcome. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment, a thumbs up. We're gonna get right into the video. Now before I do get into the actual video, I do want to make a disclaimer. The intro for this video is going to be used in 2 separate videos. So if you happen to see this again, it's not a glitch. I didn't mess up and edit the wrong content. I purchased 2 fragrances. I am going to unbox them on camera and then split the actual review part into 2 separate videos so that they can have their own video, which also helps in me spacing out my content and remaining consistent. Anyway, so the point of the video, as you can tell by the title, I did purchase some fragrances from AromaConcepts. They are fragrances that have been viral and are now going viral, and I'm really excited. So I purchased, first of all, it came wrapped in a bag, and then this was in the bag. I want to get the right information. So I did make this purchase on November the 5th, and I am just now receiving it on November the 11th. So I bought this Sunday, and I'm getting it today. So it's been a week. It took about a week to get to me, and it was coming from Florida. And based on where I am, it did take them a little bit to process and ship out, but I did go on the website again today, and there was a notice that processing times are expected to be longer at this time. So I give them a pass there. With shipping, if it doesn't take longer than a week, I'm fine. I know that it's not the company's fault. It's most likely, well, unless processing, but I'm a very understanding person, so shipping doesn't really bother me, but I did want to let you guys know if you do decide to purchase that processing and shipping times are taking a bit. So into the actual video, I did purchase 2 fragrances, as I mentioned. One is actually a perfume oil. If you are part of the fragrance community, or if you've been dibbling and dabbling here and there, you probably know which one I'm talking about. And then I purchased an actual, like a fragrance. So I'm just gonna open the box here. So I got, and I'm going to butcher these, but I got Harem Al Sultan. Okay, I got Harem Al Sultan. It is the fragrance oil that has been going viral all over social media, especially TikTok. It's been going viral all year, but there was an issue with fakes being bought and sold by a random company on Amazon. So I held off on buying for that reason, because first, it was completely sold out, and second, when it was in stock, it was the fake. I saw a video recently that was basically telling us about how they redid the packaging so that it cannot be faked, like it has a clear distinction. So the original packaging now literally says Cadillac, I'm butchering that, original. It has, this is what the bottom looks like. And then there are some other differences on the bottle that I'm going to point out and show you as we get into the actual review. And I got Taskeen. By Paris Corner. And this has been recently going viral on TikTok. Everybody's talking about it. And it is supposed to be like the best peach tea fragrance, and I'm really excited about that. It's funny because as we get into the fall and the winter, I'm really actually looking for spicier, sweeter, gourmand, warm, woody fragrances, and I feel like this is going to be like the complete opposite of that, but it was It sounded so good that I had to get it. Let's go with it. So I'm gonna save this for last, and this is where the separate video starts. So Taskeen by Paris Corner. Let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, so right off the bat, I've got to say that this bottle is extremely heavy. This is a 3.4 ounce bottle. This bottle is heavy as hell, okay? This fragrance, I think I paid 30. Let's check the price. $30. And I think the bottle it's cute. I'm going to test the fragrance before I read the notes off. So, spray. Oh. Okay. So, I get the hype. So it is very, very peachy. I've been seeing like peach tea everywhere. And I get it. But I'm gonna be honest, I think this is more like, while I do get the peach tea, this reminds me of like a really citrusy peachy shampoo. Honestly, it's extremely fruity. The peach is strong. There's some other fruits in it for sure. This is giving me peach tea shampoo vibes. Like, is that? We're gonna read the notes in a minute, but I think this is a really nice fragrance. I'm curious about how long it's gonna last and the sillage. So I'm gonna do some testing throughout the weekend, but from initial sprays on the strip, it is a very, very beautiful fragrance. I think this is gonna shine in the summertime. I don't think it's a strong fragrance either, if we're being honest, because I sprayed this a ton on this strip. It's just not a nuclear fragrance, so if you're looking for a nuclear fragrance, this isn't it. But this is very nice. I would definitely recommend this. I don't know about anybody else, but I wear perfume to bed, so I would love to throw this on at night. And just to wear from running errands, or this would be really cute for breakfast or lunch. Like daytime activities. Running errands, just wanna smell clean for the day. Oh, this is such a nice fragrance. The dry down, it gets better with the dry down. Let's read the notes for it. For the top, we've got peach, and I am reading off my phone. For the top notes, we've got peach, blood orange, and cardamom. For the middle, we have heliotrope, divana, cognac, and jasmine. The base is sandalwood, benzoin, cashmere, and vanilla, tonka bean, labdanum, and patchouli. I'm gonna be completely honest. When I purchased the fragrance, one of the things that sold me, first of all, I love peaches. I love peach drinks. I hate peach soda. I drank it a lot when I was a kid, so I can't. But like peach juice, peach tea, love it. I'm also a drinker, and my alcohols of choice are typically brown. Brandies, whiskeys, cognacs, and cognac, as I just mentioned, is a note in this fragrance, and I was really, really, really intrigued by it, because cognac and fragrances, from what I've had and from what I've tested so far, I absolutely loved it. Like, so I was really intrigued by it. And this I think I'm gonna need to test it a bit more to get the cognac because it's there, but it's not strong. So like one of my favorite fragrances of all time was AllureLashae by Killian, which has cognac in it. And so I was intrigued by it because I wanted to compare that to this. It's a very different cognac, I'll say that. The cognac in this, I don't really smell it, but like I can tell it's there, but it's not something that's like in your face. For the price, so far, I'd say it's worth it. I only paid $30 for it. Very beautiful peach tea, fruity. And it's funny because like the warmer notes I'm not getting. I think again, I just need to let it dry down a little bit more and test it more. But yeah, definitely worth the purchase. And I'll probably be posting a more in-depth review on my TikTok once I have had the chance to test it a little bit more, so watch out for that. I would definitely go get this. I'll link it down below. That's it for this fragrance review. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you in the next one.